Hi all. Improvisation is a big part of being a games master, but a lot of people feel that it's a skill that you either have or don't, and it's not something you can train. But today I'm going to show you a simple exercise from improv comedy that I've learned from doing hundreds of shows. I've taught countless classes, and I think this skill is going to up your mental dexterity. Your own inner initiative score is going to go up. You're going to be faster at the table, but like physical exercise, this requires practice every day. Luckily, this one you can do in traffic, whilst going for a walk, waiting at the altar, the bride's taking her time. This is all improvised. It should not go in the edit. And the more you do this, the faster you'll get. This exercise is called 5 things. It's usually done in a group, but you can do this on your own. It helps having people around you to put some pressure on you to think fast. That's the key with 5 things. It's not about quality of ideas, it's just about speed. It's about short-circuiting your judgment and just think as fast as possible and just talk before you think. Here's how it works. Someone usually prompts you to name 5 things. Any strange category, but you can come up with this and improvise it on your own. As you're going for a walk, 5 types of trees you've never seen before. Then just say 5 things as quickly as possible. Banana tree, orange tree, strawberry tree, rubber tree, wood tree. All trees are wood trees, doesn't matter. The idea is speed. You're not there to judge ideas. You're there to I was even stuck there for a second. The idea is to just go quickly. If you can be more lateral, great. That's entertaining. It doesn't matter. You could have said tree. It's a tree. It's a special type, but it's very tree-like. When you're in a mall and you walk past a shop that you haven't seen before, and it's like 5 things that they should never sell, and quickly mention them. Quickly, just as fast as you can. And the more you think to yourself, I've got nothing, just talk. Just say anything. And if you start doing this every day, and it feels silly, but you can do it any place, anywhere, you start becoming quite fast. And you start also judging yourself less, because it's not about quality of ideas. Quality of ideas comes afterwards. Because if you're good at generating a lot of ideas, especially at the role-playing table, your mind starts latching onto one of the 5 that's going to fit best. Because it's getting better at generating ideas. So you're at the table and you go 5 strange things that this innkeeper maybe asked them to do. And you're like, kill 5 boars, kill 5 rats, kill 5 hyenas, have a chat with his wife, something else. And you're like, hang on, that one was a bit different. Why would he need us to go chat to his wife? Now I just take that one little brick at a time, and I'm like, I'll figure out the details later. I'll do another 5 things. She's part of the resistance, and she wants you to deploy this package outside the palace. And I was like, oh, they found the secret hidden resistance there. This dwarven innkeeper's asked them to do that. I'm just making nonsense up now. But at the table, this is what you want. Most of the reason why people think they can't improvise is not because we can't. You're all creative people. You're playing this hobby. You have it in you. The barrier is just, you're not flexing that muscle often enough. And there's that judgment, that insecurity. We all have it. I have it. Because I'm like, that wasn't clever. Players aren't going to like that, this or that. Like in a brainstorming session, just start rattling off ideas and generating them and get used to that. And you'll always have, most of them will always be throwaway ideas. You're going to have more ones that are throwaway than ones you're going to keep. You just should ping, ping, ping in your mind whilst you're in the session and you're getting these cool ideas. And once it's going to go, hang on, that was unusual. Let's follow that. And then the insecurity will be, but I don't know where that's going next. How does it fit into my plot? We're not storytellers anyway, it's like I've always said. You're just doing this one brick at a time, and the players are going to lay some other bricks of their own. You're going to build a unique building. We don't know the shape of it. So if one little shiny brick stands out, lay it down, give it to the players, let them give the next one, or you do 5 things again. So try this one at home. See if it works. Let me know if it works for you, or if you want more improv tips like this, please comment and let me know what type of content you want to see. Tutorials, more improv tips, more general GM tips, game reviews. This channel can go anywhere. I want to expand it. I really need your feedback, so let me know which videos you've enjoyed. And otherwise, have yourselves a good day, roll high or low, depending on the system you're playing, and take care.